everybody. I have a great book to talk to you about. It's called The Four Winds by Kristen Hanna. She's a very popular author. She writes lots of novels. This book is set during 1934 in Texas. It is the Great Depression. It's also a long drought in the Midwest. It's the Dust Bowl. And the story centers around Elsa Martinelli, who lives on a farm with her kids and her in-laws, and the farm is dying because of this drought. They haven't had rain. And she makes a difficult decision to take her children and travel to California, where the rumor is there's plenty of work, there are crops that can be harvested, and they can start a new life. That doesn't necessarily turn out to be true, but along the way we learn about the hardships involved in the people during that time, and it really was a tragic time during our history. This book was recommended by a close friend of mine. I really enjoyed it, and I recommend it to you. It is called The Four Winds by Kristen Hanna.
Hi, this is Caroline from Adult Services, and I wanted to talk to you about our ClearView Speech machine. It was recently donated, and it scans and reads your books for you. And it's available in English, French, and Spanish. It's available on the 3rd floor if you want to check it out.
Hey everybody, this is Stacey from Teen Services, and through our summer reading this year, in the month of July, we have been working on teen cooking skills. So going into August, we are having a kitchen battle showdown, but I wanted to remind you that we have awesome teen cookbooks. So for all those that have been participating in our teen life skills cooking, check out some of these cookbooks, and for others that maybe haven't been in that but are looking to add some culinary flavor to their life, you can check out how-to cookbooks for teens, 100 easy recipes to learn the basics. And this one is awesome. This one's my favorite, the Green Teen Cookbook. These are recipes for all seasons, but these recipes are written by teens. So check out both of these books.